Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. The first update is just more so an adjustment now that we have more data. And the question becomes, what direction does this adjustment need to be made? And now that we have more data, the revised level of resistance that really stands out is right up there at the $19 mark. And notice that I did need to adjust that level of resistance higher. Now, does that mean that for sure guarantee now this thing's going up to $25? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that from the bullish point of view, whenever levels of resistance do need to be adjusted higher and higher, that is definitely a step in the right direction. So keep a close eye on 19 going forward. That's going to be a level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching. The breakout players, you're going to have longs and shorts and everybody in between watching that level and wondering, if the price can work its way back up to there, can that break? And when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very, very dynamic price movements, and that's exactly what's going on here with that $19 mark. As far as areas of support are concerned, two main levels stand out. The first key level is going to be that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very followed 200 period moving average. And you can see right now the price is doing a good job of just, kind of skating right above there. Current value of the 200 period, I'll just call it 1675. But if that level cannot quite hold up and the price, especially if it's a high volume break to the downside of that 200 period moving average, then no such thing as a guarantee. But at that point in time, it would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially work its way down to right around the 1550 mark. So keep an eye on these technical levels going forward. I know these are going to be the areas that I'm watching. And yeah, like I said, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. Let's see if we can get some good dynamic movements. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.